our Buckleguy solid tip marking awl. So unique in the world of awls, it's solid all the way from the tip up to the 9 millimeter base here. So same uses as a marking awl, scratch awl. It's got a nice front heft to it as well. Another use for the solid tip is expanding holes, existing holes. So for example, let's say you're stitching and you get to a pesky hole that is not quite wide enough. You can take this and you can work it through the hole and expand that hole just enough where you can fit it through it. Let me show you another example here. I've got a Chicago screw and you punch a hole. Doesn't quite fit through, so you can't get it through here. It's about a 4-ounce, 5-ounce piece of leather. You can bring this in, kind of push it through a little bit, expand it ever so slightly, and pushes right through. You can install your Chicago screw. So, special, unique marking awl with a bunch of different use cases.